Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to fix your withdrawal suspended error on your Binance application. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's get started with the video. Talking about the reason for this kind of error might be the system upgrade. You'll need to check the down detector for Binance. If there is any upgrade on the system, then they'll notify you beforehand. On any other website, you can check Twitter as well. Another reason might be if you have made changes on your account, especially if you have changed your password. So for 24 hours, you'll not be able to withdraw or deposit funds on your Binance application. So if you have made changes, then you'll have to wait for 24 hours and only after that you'll be able to fix your Binance error. If you feel that none of these are the issue, then you need to contact the customer service. So for that, you need to head towards the support center of the Binance, and then you'll need to select the reason for writing a report. If you have provided a valid information, they'll look into your matter. So those were the method on how you can fix your withdrawal suspended error on your Binance account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.